Hi there, my name is Jenna and I'm an engagement officer with Green Schools Nova Scotia. I'm just doing a quick video tutorial on how to add Gird View to Google Meet. So that means that when you're in a meeting, rather than only being able to see a few people at a time and whoever's speaking, you'll actually be able to see everybody who's participating in the call all at once on the screen, which is really good for classrooms, so that way you can see everybody's faces when you're talking to them. So the first thing you're going to want to make sure that you have is Google Chrome. So you can't be using anything like Safari or Internet Explorer. So make sure you've got Google Chrome down here. And once you've got that, you can simply just type in Gird View for Google Meet, Gird View for Meets, anything like that. And it'll be this link here, Google Meet, Gird View, Google Chrome. So you're going to click on that. And then you'll just get a little blue button up here that says Add to Chrome. Click on that, Add Extension. And it should pop up right here in this upper corner. So this here is where all your extensions will live. And now we've added Gird View. So now if I go into a meeting here and I click on Join Hangouts Meet. Okay, so if I join in here now, and I should have Molly waiting for me in this call. Hi Molly, how you doing?
Hi.
Hi.
Good, thanks.
Good. So now that I'm in this call, I see I have a little new icon up in the upper right corner, which looks like a little grid. So right now there's a slash through it, meaning Gird View is off. And if I turn it on, and I say I want to include myself, I can now see myself next to Molly. Or if I just want to show the participants and not myself, it'll just show Molly. So the more people you have, the smaller each icon will be. But that is how you add Gird View. So thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. If you have any more questions or need any more help, please reach out to us at Green Schools. We're happy to help, and have a great day.